You're needing piers installed to repair your foundation, but you have concrete around your home at the pier locations marked on your repair plan. So what happens to that concrete? Let's dive into it. Your sidewalk, patio, garage, and even interior concrete of your home may be the place where a push pier or a helical pier is being installed to stabilize your foundation. So, what happens to the concrete? Are we able to save it? If it's being replaced, will it look different? How much does it cost to remove it? Today we'll be answering these questions for you. So the concrete has to be removed if a pier location is covered up by concrete, and replacing it will be a decision we leave up to you. If you're planning on redoing or installing new concrete, it's best to wait until the foundation repair project is completed. If you do have concrete that is stamped or colored, you will need to hire a concrete specialist to match that new concrete after the repairs are done. If you would like us to pour the concrete, typically we can match regular finishes, broom finishes, and salt finishes, but that's about the extent of our finishing skills. The concrete will look different if it needs to be removed and replaced for various reasons, but the main reason being the age difference between the old concrete and the new concrete. So the cost of the concrete removal and repairs can be a bit pricey if you need a lot of piers. The cost of each pier location is between $300 and $500, and that includes excavating to the bottom of the foundation's footing. If you need interior piers, the cost for concrete removal and replacement will be somewhere between $25 and $30 per square foot. Now that you know more about concrete removal and replacement, please check out our other videos in our Learning Hub. You can learn more about our piers, how they're installed, or even the cost for a foundation repair project. Thank you for watching the video, and remember to never settle on an unsafe home.